Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is March 19th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla's stock. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research and make your own decisions, as I will do also. This is my take two. I had some problems with the sound, so thank you to Jay, and thank you for Gadgeter or something like that for telling me. So hopefully this is working well right now. So Tesla closed up 652, closed at 654.87, up 171.26%. Post market, it's up 1 cent. So this looks nice. Ooh, this is fantastic. But when we look at the chart, we had the support yesterday at 654.83. So this is where the stock closed at yesterday. So it touched really that support, but really going down. It was a bearish day. And today it really broke it, and it closed. I would say it closed outside of it. It closed below it. Even though it made the hammer. It made a hammer, so it made a green candle with a long wick. So this is basically telling us that stock opened here, went really down, but then was pushed back up even higher than the close. So in terms of candlestick patterns, a hammer means that it is a bullish pattern. But, if I look at the trend lines here, this trend line here and this one here means that the stock is really into a downtrend. So I would not be surprised if Tesla would go down here and come back up and come and touch this support here that has been in play for a very long time. So down to the crash of COVID last year, pretty much a year date to date. So March 18th. So basically this support line is really, really strong. So I am thinking that Tesla will come and touch that and possibly go back up. In terms of indicators, stochastic is at 44. So really went. This should be at 50. Okay. It's okay. I did not put it at 50. I thought I had put it at 50 here. I just put the line here, the resistance on top of this little peak. So basically stochastic is touching that peak. So I don't know if Tesla on Monday will reach back above the support, but I would not be surprised that it just keeps going down to 570 or something like that. I would not be surprised. In terms of MACD, MACD is looking like it's starting to reverse back. Well, the two lines are coming closer together, so maybe we are going to see a crossover bearish, and the DMI has been bearish for a long time. So this is just a great opportunity to say, believe the DMI. The DMI is a bit slow in terms of reacting to when you should start selling and start buying. But when the DMI is really bearish like this, I don't think it's a good idea to buy a stock. So it does not always happen that way. But we have a great example here that the DMI just shows complete red. The red line is so far above the green line that this is really bearish for the DMI. And I would not be surprised that when Tesla goes down to 570 something and hangs on there for a while, that the DMI will finally cross green, and then stock will take off a little bit. So that's it for me today. Thank you for subscribing, liking, and hitting the bell. Please leave me your comments about what you are thinking about Tesla. What do you think it's going to do tomorrow? I wish you a great weekend. We are going to speak to each other next Monday, and I'll say to you, à la prochaine.